Joel's helping me out today because we have a matched pair of instruments for a pair of brothers.
Yeah.
So we have a full-scale 5-string banjo and a tenor-scale banjo uke, right? Tenor, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And both of them are made from curly walnut and Texas ebony. So this curly walnut is from Southern Oregon, and we had enough for matching rims and necks. Look how curly it looks, Nicole, in the video. I hadn't really looked at it.
Should show the headstocks too.
Yeah, and then Texas ebony for the headstocks and everything, and I found some with a little sapwood there, so they match. And then Texas ebony for the fretboards. This stuff is getting pretty scarce for me. I'm almost out, so I'm using a lot of pieces with little knots and inclusions, and then I fill them, and it's okay. So, for example, there's a big knot here on the side of the fretboard, but it still looks good to us. This one's got a 12-inch rim with a tone ring and a synthetic head and the armrest. This one's a little 8-inch rim, tuned GCEA. It's a banjo uke. And yeah, also with a synthetic head and armrest.
5-piece neck.
Oh yeah, so we made the necks the same. It's got the curly walnut with 2 little strips of mahogany with the walnut in between. 5-piece necks, which is a cool little look, I think. And yeah, I'm really pleased to make a pair that are gonna kind of stick together. That's a pretty cool project. I was honored to be a part of it. So yeah, you want to play a little more?
Sure.
Do we start with this thing? They sound good together.
Yeah.
I think it was a good project. I'm happy to be a part of it. I was even able to get a little sapwood on the back of this one for the heel cap, but that one doesn't, right?
Nope.
Nope, just more. So sorry, they're not perfectly matching, but I did my best. Okay, so that's for Carrie and Bart, number 8, 12, and 813, and our last instrument for June. What month is it?
It's June.
It's June. Thank you. Cheers.